Hello, welcome to my little channel here. Today I'm going to do a wee video for you on changing the wipers on the Toyota Avensis here, driver side and passenger side. Really simple job. I've got wipers in from Mixed Garage here. Last time I got something from these, the parts were all wrong. It was for a different car, but they were all wrong. So I haven't unboxed it yet, it's still sealed. So with the hope of God now, everything is right. Fingers crossed. So please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, share around if you like, and let's get stuck in on this beautiful November 18th. And what a beautiful day. Enjoy. Okay, first thing is lift the arm of the wiper up like so. And on these, really actually very clever ideas. It's just sort of, you can use your key, you can use a screwdriver, and you hear that click, push it in and it just clicks out just like that. Really simple. I'm going to leave that there now and I'm going to move over to the other side here now. Same thing, only I'm not going to lift it fully up. I'm just going to push it in, pull it out like that, and put it up. I'm going to leave it down there just for so it doesn't snap down. And you can slide it in. I'm going to leave that one there. Now I'm going to unbox this now. I hope Mixed Garage got it right. So let's just, we'll all see it together. So if they have it wrong, oh dear, oh dear. Let's hope not. Last thing we messed up, it was just a lot of stress, a lot of hassle. It was expensive. And I put the reg in, so it was totally down to them. Unfortunately, I couldn't send it back, and the reason why I couldn't send it back because the person who I got them for had opened the boxes, and that was the end of that. So it couldn't be returned. These boxes can be opened, thankfully. Beautiful. There we go. So simple. So we do the passenger side first. So just click it in, like so. Number one, and then number two. Same thing. Just put it in, slide it in like so. One second. This one here, there's a slight a straight line there, and it curves up like that. So sort of tilt it like this, so an angle like this. Do that again to show, just sort of like this in and bump. If I can just show that maybe from here, maybe. That's it. 2 wipers in. That's how you do that. Really simple job. Changing the wipers on the Toyota Avensis D4D T270. Please enjoy the video. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Have a good day. Thank you.